is nothing but to, to start a new business. This only we are going to start a new business. The technical term for new business is startup. Okay. But start new business means suppose we are starting any tea company or anything that there is no technical knowledge is not required for that thing. But for industry, we require technical skills, right? Market, how the market is going to develop and how they are required, the person, what skill they are required. For this reason, startup they are introducing. Startup is a combination of innovation, market acquisition, and business. Business is only business. We are suppose if we are business means for tea shop anything we are investing some amount. We are taking in terms of same thing, but we are in this we are not using any skills in that business. But in startup, what we are using? What we are using? The recognition actually. That just now I told that newly formed business is a particular moment. If you are taking this equation for startup, first thing is new business. Business is common. Business is common without we are not involving anything in business. And after that, what we are adding? Innovation. Innovation means skills. What industry requirement? What industry requires innovation? Like suppose if you have any product, how it has been developed. Right? Nowadays, suppose if you are taking our instrument only, where earlier days what we are using, leveling shaft and leveling instrument. Now what we are using? Total sales. Right? That is the improvement of technology. Okay? Earlier days we are using compass separating, chain, leveling instrument. Right? The total increase and combination of these things now are developed as total sales. Right? That is one example for innovation. Second one is the technology. Okay? Suppose if we are using now AutoCAD is there in earlier days. Now what we are using? Stratco, E-Tax, all this. And even for this advanced technology has been that is BIM. Right? Building information module. In this total we are taking if you are providing a plan, we will take design and design part, start thing, whatever we are getting, get total one software. Okay? And this is now fashion. Fashion is now not very required. The total means our this startup stage actually first startup will be developed from ideas. Right? First idea will be developed and from idea they are having planning. Right? Proper planning, that material management, how we are using that material, and what based on this we are going to start a new business in terms of startup. And one is teamwork. We require any manpower. Right? Without a single person we can't do anything. Single person will go only for what single person will do. Single person will do. Who is job providing only for single person or member of person?
Member of money.
Single person. That is, no, that teamwork will be involved in the individual employment. Right? Only one person will be there, and whatever they are rolling, whatever role they are giving. Suppose we are an employer, right? But they are given some roles. Right? We have to teach the classes, but we have to conduct the examination. Like this is our role only. But they are giving task, and what we are providing, and we are submitting the same results for the task. But teamwork is involved in startup, but it is not immediate. Right? Whatever thing is we are getting, that output will be coming from the teamwork. Next one is investment. Amount we have to invest, and for the employment we don't require anything. We are only based on the skills. they will execute and they will give the amount. But here, suppose we have to check all these things, that is planning. If you are providing, if you are investing 1 rupee, you have to get 5 rupees for that. This total will be solved by teamwork. Second one will be resources. How that resources is available for our startup. This all we have to check before using, before taking a startup and new business. Next is strategy. How that product will be developed, what strategy we are using, what initial stage path we are preparing, right? And how that, suppose if you are taking or building AutoCAD also, what they will give, only dimensions they will give, and we will prepare all the plan, and we will show that building, how it will be looked after construction. That is mean that product how it will be developed by using this AutoCAD. Okay, what we are using here, resources will be AutoCAD software, output will be 3D model, right? We are developing 3D model, but here our inputs only, what the inputs they are giving, only dimensions. They will give only length and width. Based on this, we are going to separate, we are going to allot all the rooms like bedroom, kitchen, all these things. And we first we develop a plan. After that, elevation, after that, section. In elevation, what we are showing, your building will be look like after completion of your execution. This is the strategy what we are using, and total will be product. What output? After completion of all this thing, our product will be, suppose if you are taking building also, our total output will be product. Our product will be building. What we are using, resources, technology, teamwork, strategy means what software we are using. By using the software, how the product will be developed. Now, this main actually government of India given a story that based on 2023, whatever population in place told no, that 1.2 crores, and the census they are giving as per 2023 census they are having 142 crores of population, and they decided that this employment is not enough for the people, and we have to create that self-employment for every person, every people. You have to create that knowledge of each and every person to motivate startup. That given a slogan that startup India and stand up India. Then only we will be in a competition of like USA, well-developed countries. Right? This is the only thing, the strategy we are using for development of our country based on the population of total India. This four strategies was startup market acquisition means why the market how they require the person, how the product they are requiring, so how the resources they are using. Second one is human resources. How the human resources are available, how we are going to utilize for that startup. Suppose the main thing is we have to choose the person who are set for this particular product. Suppose if we are in civil engineering field, you have to choose only civil engineering background person. You can't choose mechanical or civil. This is a selection of human resources and how the startup will be developed, what resources they are using. Second is intellectual property, that they are having some business models and how they are using for the investment. Second one is efficient capital management. That just now I told that you have to spend 5 rupees, but you have to expect 10 rupees. But if you are spending 10 rupees, if you are getting on a output of 5 rupees, is it loss or profit?
Loss.
That is the main thing. Efficient capital management is required to get a successful startup. Is the main thing. In circulation, transaction, actually what we are doing in first year on, if you are starting any startup, first year we are having only your customers and potential customer. That means they will use our product and other product also. And our strategy will be you have to improve our own customers and these potential customers should be less. This is our you have to say, because only customers are only will buy the product. If they are not buying the product, your product will be waste and your startup will be come under fail. Right? Customers will be there. There are two customers. One is the own customers and is the potential customers. What they are using. Some customers they will use our product and as well as other products also. Other product first year if you are starting a startup, there are only less number of our own customers, and we have to increase our own customers for the next year. And for this, what we have to use strategy and efficient capital management and the human resources. How we are going to select the manpower which they are suited for our own startup. This is the main thing, because if your customers not buying your product, your total startup will be failed. We are giving a product for the purchasing of product for the people. If they are not buying, there is no use. There is a useless product, and your efficient your capital funds, whatever you invested, the startup the total will be lost. And these are four steps how startup means, and more main step is working towards innovation development. That just now I explained, and commercialization of new products. Suppose products we have to study which products we came. If you are aware about our technology. If you are studying, you have to suppose you are studying in second year. That design part, so you are having only AutoCAD, right? In the diploma also, we know only where we are having only AutoCAD software to prepare the plans and all these things for the civil engineering student. But once you are coming in the market, suppose even in academic also, we are having only we are using AutoCAD and this CAD code. But if you are going in industry, they will give some other software like Tekla, Vim. These are the innovation. How innovation has been takes place nowadays. You have to study while going for any interview. This is the main thing. But while suppose a market required BIM person, but if you are knowing only AutoCAD, then but similar they both are similar. But some advanced features are there in BIM software. But you don't know that thing. You just that you are having that mind that BIM is the other software. But BIM is a combination of Stratco, ETABS, AutoCAD, Revit. It's all combination of total software income in only one software, that is BIM. This innovation, how the innovation has been developed in our civil engineering field only you have to know. Then only while facing any interview, you can able to answer that question. That you have to know. These human resources. First one is strategy. How we are going to select for the company and startup, and the selection of people. Second one is employee. Employee means we are going to recruit the person. Okay, employee should be. And second one is potential. I told that whatever other product they are purchasing, we have to track that person to our own customer. Second one is organization, distribution of organization, right? Team leaders, members, chairman, like this. That distribution also is very required for the strategy for getting a successful start. And training also is very required for the person. They don't have any awareness, and you have to know, you have to train the person towards our startup to get more profit. And management, and how we are going to manage human resources, product. We are having these three things: person, product, or ABB product, and what we are using human resources. How we are going to selection, employee, and how that products is required the skills of the person. That is the main thing. Teamwork will be main thing. Only main thing is in startup. Without teamwork, it will not be success. These are the intellectual property rights and copyrights, trademarks. Suppose you don't copy other product, same product, and we have to say we have to choose, we have to change some certain parameters in our product. Then our product will be second, because they're having some copyright issues. Right? You can see in movies also. Some people so they'll give they'll file in any case that is my story. They are developed and they are given a movie. These are copyright issues. Same thing in our industry also. How they are my product has been copied for the that purpose. There is a chance of filing cases. For this, we have to aware about this intellectual property, patents, design, circuit, and use. And actually, we are not facing this is the problem in our civil engineering field. We are facing this problem in electronics and management system because civil engineering field is already constant products are there. There is no copying, there is no availability of copying, and there is no chance of copying the products. These are already one strategy is there, and we can't be able to copy these products. So efficient capital management. Just now I told the use of fixed assets and expansion. And yes, I told that using the least amount inputs to achieve highest amount of output. You have to invest 5 rupees and you have to expect 10 rupees. But don't depend upon, don't invest more amount and don't seek for less amount. That is your total startup will be under law. There is same thing efficiency how we are going to maintain. This is now how we are facing top 11 challenges for this faced by the startup. First one is lack of planning. There is no planning for the product, how we are going to develop and what we have to choose, which product we have to use, which is and second one time management. Suppose the product will be within a month, but if you are delivering the product after 2 months, 3 months, the customer will see other startup. There is the time management. We have to as per the time management, we have to check our product and we have to deliver in time. Then only our customer will be retained. Otherwise, the customer will choose other product which will be given in time. Second one is hiring the right the talent. That's what I told. The person who belongs to our product, we have to choose. Otherwise, that skills will be different and our product will be different. Our product will be totally fail because we are unable to use the talent or use the skills in our product. We want civil engineering product, but they are having ECE or mechanical background. They are unable to provide the skills for our product. Poor team management. Team management that we are motivating the persons in terms of amount and everything. That is a poor management. Second one is we have competition, and more competition is there between the two companies, two startups. Building a brand awareness. This will be social media. You have to publicity our product through social media. Then only our customer will be, because we are preparing our product, we are keeping ourselves without promoting that product is waste. Okay? Even in movies also, if they'll cast a total movie, and what they will do, they'll publicity that movie. Based on the publicity through the social media, they'll get more chances. That is the main thing. Even our product also, we have to publicity and we have to give the publicity for the product in terms of technical and everything. And effective marketing, that's main thing. Person who are going for the marketing, that and resources, you have to provide resources for the manpower. That limited resources, you have to given sufficient resources to get a successful start. Not using data efficiently, and last one is scaling. Okay, and these steps, steps are to overcome the challenges. First one is teamwork. What we are failing as a teamwork, we are failing to giving the product, and there is a failure of start and create the plan. How we have to create first time management. Okay, in this event time, you have to deliver that product. And one, ask for help. Nowadays, people are not asking, they are having some ego and everything. I will do myself because of that ego, and they are not giving product. In that, what you have to feel free to get the clarification on the product. Second one is what your budget that I just for the efficiency. How much we are having? We are having only 5 rupees, but we are going to provide 10 rupees. But that is the reason we have to how much budget we are having and how much we have to invest. That main thing of the resources. Failures. Some failures will be happening, but as slogan is there. After failures, we are getting success. Every failures, we are getting